what is the cost of the Almirah is 11,025 and give rupees 172.50 as its cartridge and spend rupees 64.80 on its repair. How much does the Almirah cost him? So it is very easy question. We can write the statement with we can solve this question with statement. Cost of Almirah. Cost of Almirah is equal to rupees 11,025 and uh, pay for cartridge. Wait, pay for cartridge. Cartridge, not cartridge, cartridge is rupees 172.50. So we have to write here like this 175.02. Sorry, 172. It is 172.50. We put point here and put 20 also. Then spent on repair. Spent on repair is equal to rupees 6480. Then you can write 6480 here. Then how much does Almirah cost him? The total cost of Almirah is equal to, you just add, okay, and put 0 here and add. Then 0, 8 plus 5 is 13, 1 carry, 5, 4, 9, 1, 10, 12, 1 carry, 7, 7, 7, 14, 14 plus 2 is 16, 1 carry, it's 2, and then 1, 1. This is the total cost, total cost of Almirah. Don't do anywhere else. The working is required in the question. Is that clear? The working is required in the question. So the cost of Almirah is rupees 11,025.00. Pay for cartridge is rupees 17. Sorry, cartridge is 172.50. Then spent on repair is equal to 0.64.80. You just add these value and you get the total cost of Almirah. Now, question number 11, 12 and 13 you can do your own, because these just are calculation. You have to write the statement because the statement is required in this question. So please do it carefully, and there is no mistake in grammar. So you can, don't worry about that. You can write the statement without thinking there is a grammar mistake. बस ठीक से लिखना है. Copied? No sir or yes sir? लिख लिया कि नहीं लिखा? कॉपी. भाई देखो जल्दी से लिखो प्लीज. गुड. Now the question number 14, last one for this exercise. You can do the 11, 12, 13 by your own. Now the Radhika bought 2 meter 5 centimeter cloth for her salwar and 3 meter 35 centimeter cloth for her shirt. Find the total length of the cloth bought by her. So we have to write Radhika Is it be visible to all now? Then Radhika bought clothes for Salwar 3 meter 35 centimeter. Then Radhika bought clothes for shirt is equal to कुछ तो गड़बड़ लिखा है मुझे लग रहा है नो ये गलत लिखी है वैल्यू तुम लोगों ने देखा ही नहीं है सलवार इज 2 मीटर 5 centimeter. So we have to write like 0.5, okay? Because it is 5 centimeter. So every time you have to remember this and then 3 meter 35 centimeter. Clear? So the total cloth she bought, total clothes, total clothes she bought is equal to, you just add these values. It is 5 meter and 40 centimeter. Don't repeat and don't write the anything again. This is the solution only. You have to do like this. Clear? Clear? Now we can start the now we can start the next exercise. That is the last exercise of this chapter. That is the subtraction. Subtraction of the decimal. Copied everyone? Now we have to start the exercise 7D. And everyone, and if there is a word problem, you can write the statement, please. Don't worry. If there is a mistake in the statement, I don't mind. Statement सबको लिखना है. Try to write statement. और कुछ गलती हो जाएगी statement लिखने में, तो कोई problem नहीं है. Now, subtraction. Subtract. The question is subtract. Now, first part is what? This is the homework from the exercise 7C. Now exercise 7D. Now one. First question is 27.8. Please mute your voice. क्या बात? कौन कौन है यहाँ पर? ये क्या किससे किसके पास किससे आवाज आ रही है? Please mute the voice. Chirag, can you check whose voice is not muted? किसकी आवाज किसका ये म्यूट नहीं है? किसका ऑडियो म्यूट नहीं है? आदर्श आनंद. Priya Bharti, can you mute your voice? Priya Bharti, can you mute your voice? Now, the question is subtract first 27.86 from 53.74. So, we can use the column method to subtract this. And the meaning of from means that you have to write the second number first. So, we can write like this and next number in between this and then subtract it. Clear? So 14 minus 6 is 8, 16 minus 8 is 8, and then 12 minus 7 is 5, and then 4 minus 2 is 2. It is, the answer will be 25.88. These are the very simple questions. So first, and now I want to tell you the fourth part. Fourth part, see 56.8 from 204. So you have to write 204 then point 0 because there is one decimal place. Then you have to write 56.8 and subtract it. ये याद रखना, this is very much important. अगर किसी ने इसको ऐसे सॉल्व कर दिया तो वो उसका बिल्कुल ही गलत हो जाएगा. अगर किसी ने ऐसे लिख के सॉल्व कर दिया तो दिस इज द रॉन्ग. याद रखना. This is very much important to write the decimal number in a proper sequence for addition as well as in subtraction. तो इसको भी यहाँ से 56.8 from 204. So we know that the decimal place is 10th. So we have to write 204.0 minus 56.8. Then subtract it 10, 8. You do your own calculation for this. Don't see my calculation. 10 minus 8 is this. 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6 is 7. And now 9, 4. And this is 1. So it will be 147.2. Clear? तो ये तो बहुत ही इजी क्वेश्चन है. Now, okay. So, question number 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you can do your own. 10th I will solve for you. Question number 10. Now the question is 0.612, subtract 0.612 from 3.4. So we have to write the second digit first. So 3.4 and then we have to write this number. So it is 612. Then how do we subtract it? By putting 0 over this. Clear? Now take out the carry and you can do your own calculation. 10, 2, 8, 9 minus 1, 7, 9 minus 1, 8, sorry. And now 3, 13, 13 minus 6 is 7.2. So the answer will be 2.788. Clear? Okay. Now we move to simplification. Now we move to simplification. Question number 11. Now the question number 11 is simplify, and everyone must follow BODMAS for the simplification. So one more time I recall BODMAS. Bracket of divide, multiply, add, subtract. And one more thing, what is the operation when there is more than two signs? So negative is positive for addition and subtraction only. Negative is positive, positive is negative, negative is negative. These are basically the operation what we have to do. This is the operation what we have to do. So the first question is question number 11 is 37.6 plus 72.85, then minus 58.678, and the last number is minus 6.09. Now you see there is 2, and if there is no sign means that number is positive. So we can add this, and uh, this is the minus, and we can use the column method only. This is the plus number, so we add it separately like this, and we know that minus minus is plus, minus minus is plus, so we add it separately like this. Or you can write minus and the operation is plus like this. So we can add it 5, and this is 14, 1 carry, 7 3 10, 1 carry, 10 1 11. Now this uh, 9, and this is 0, so it will be 8, this is 16, 1 carry, 17, 1 carry, 15, 1 carry, 6, and now it is negative. So we have to write like this again: 110.45 minus 65.768. And you know that we have to carry a sign. For sign, we always carry the bigger number sign. Bigger number sign. So now it is 110.45 minus 65.768. Clear? So we subtract it again by writing this number like this: 65.768. We put 0 here and then subtract it, because this is positive number and this is negative. So plus minus is minus. So this is 2, and 14 minus 6 is 8, and this is 13 minus 7 is 6. Now the point, and then 9 minus 5 is 4, and then 10 minus 6 is 4. So the answer is 44.682. Now is it be clear to all, or is there any doubt? समझ आया है सबको या नहीं? Good. Everyone copied? Okay. Copy please. And everyone must check, if there is a noise, they don't open their audio. इतनी सी बात तुम्हें समझ नहीं आती है? ये प्रथम हमेशा ऐसे ही करता है. ही ओपन देयर ऑडियो और पढ़ रहा है. उसको ये नहीं पता चलता कि पीछे से कोई आवाज आ रही है या नहीं आ रही. So Pratham, please check, if there is a noise, don't open their audio or anything. If you have doubt, if you have doubt, तो भी तुम्हें open नहीं करना है. If there is no voice, then you can open only. Now Divyanshu, are you there? Divyanshu Divyanshu is present in the class. Divyanshu is present in the class. Please answer my question. Don't send me. Open your audio and say. Don't send me messages, please. Open your audio and say. Are you there? now question number 12 you can do your own. Now let us see the question number 13. Now the question number 13 is 213.4 minus 56.84, then minus 11.87 minus 16.087. Now you see here is three negative number. Then what we have to do? हमें क्या करना चाहिए? इसके बाद हम क्या कर सकते हैं? Because there is three negative number and negative negative is positive, again negative negative is positive. So to save our time, we just calculate like this 56.84 because this is the single number. There is single positive number. So all three, we have to add the all three numbers and put the minus sign. 87 and then 16.087 and put 0 like this, and all three number are minus, so the operation is plus. Clear? Now we just add this number. Now 7, 12 plus 7 is 19, 1 carry, 16, 1, 17, 1 carry. So 12, 1, 13, 14, 1 carry. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Now it will be 84.797 and we put a minus sign because the whatever the larger number you can change, you can check and put this. Now you can write 213.4 minus 84.797. Clear? Now subtract this number 213.4, then have to check the decimal place. 84 minus 797 and we put 0 at the missing numbers. 0 in place of the missing numbers. Now subtract it. This is 10, 3, 9, 0. This is 13 minus 7 is 6. And now 12 minus 4 is 8. Now 10 minus 8 is 2 and this is 1. So 128 मतलब 128.603 is our answer. Is that clear? Now please copy fast. We have to move to the next questions. Good. Good. And now the question number 14 you have to do your own. तो सबको समझ आ रहा है? सबको समझ आ रहा है ना? Good. Now the question number 15. Now the question number 15 is what? What is to be added to 74.5 to get 91? The question is what is to be added 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 to 74.5 to get 91. Yes? Then क्या क्वेश्चन क्या? What is to be added to this number to get 91? If we suppose if we add x, तो हमारे को मतलब 74.5 plus x is equal to 91. What is to be added to 74.5 to get 91? Suppose हमने उसमें x को ऐड कर दिया, ठीक है? तो हमने जब x को ऐड कर दिया तो then we can solve x. तो हमने क्या लिखा? 74 minus